When one thinks Japan, oftentimes their first thought is Shibuya potting, history, trains, technology, ramen, tradition. But as soon as you land in this country, many people will tell you Japan has 4 seasons. Confused by this, because we too, South Africa and others, have 4 seasons. But you come to learn this is what they mean. Sunflowers in summer, cherry blossoms in spring, cosmos in autumn, and daffodils in the winter. This is what it means to exist in the duality of it all. The high-rise mountains of Fuji, the sea-laying cliffs of Tojimbo, the delicate and rough edges, the stillness of its many forests and busyness enshrined in its state, the vast sea of opportunities and selectiveness. Depending on how you look at it, it can be a place of contradiction. But nature exists in its duality, and so does Japan. Yin and yang, yin and yang. And for someone who appreciates nature, it allows for play, art, the backdrop of summer evening jam sessions, setting for connections, inquisition, inspiration, change. And Japan sure embraces the changes. It's in its food, mochi for winter and suika by the beach in summer. To live in Japan is to understand duality, appreciate change, value time, and all that is encompassed in its nature.